Have you ever wondered how to mine Bitcoin? Well, today, we're going to delve into the digital gold rush of the 21st century and uncover 10 ways to mine Bitcoin. 1. You can mine Bitcoin through cloud mining. This involves renting mining hardware from a cloud mining provider. Instead of owning and maintaining the hardware, you simply pay a fee and receive a proportion of the mined Bitcoin. 2. There's ASIC mining. ASICs, or application-specific integrated circuits, are specialized machines designed solely for the purpose of mining Bitcoin. They offer high processing speed and power efficiency, making them a popular choice for mining. 3. You might consider GPU mining. This method uses graphics processing units or GPUs, which are more versatile than ASICs. They can mine different types of cryptocurrency, not just Bitcoin. 4. There's CPU mining. This is the original method of mining Bitcoin using the computer's central processing unit. However, it's not as efficient as other methods. 5. You can mine Bitcoin via mining pools. These are groups of miners who pool their resources together to mine more efficiently. The mined Bitcoin is then split among the group according to each member's contribution. 6. Consider mobile mining. This method uses a mobile device to mine Bitcoin. While it's not the most efficient, it's a convenient way to mine if you don't have access to more powerful equipment. 7. You can mine Bitcoin through browser mining. This involves running a script on your browser that mines Bitcoin while you browse the web. 8. There's Honey Miner. This software allows anyone with a computer to mine Bitcoin. It automatically switches between different cryptocurrencies to mine the most profitable one at any given time. 9. You might consider using a Bitcoin ATM. Some of these machines offer a mining service where you can purchase mining capacity and receive mined Bitcoin in return. And 10. There's solo mining. This method involves mining Bitcoin on your own, without joining a pool. It's more risky, but the rewards can be much greater if you successfully mine a block. So there you have it, 10 ways to mine Bitcoin. From cloud mining to ASICs, GPUs, CPUs, mining pools, mobile mining, browser mining, Honey Miner, Bitcoin ATMs, and solo mining, there's a method to suit every level of interest and investment. Remember, while Bitcoin mining can be profitable, it's also complex and comes with its own set of risks. Always do your research and consider your options carefully before diving in. Happy mining.